My favorite Qigong spot. How fortunate am I? 5 minutes from my house. And I just stand right here in this magic little spot, getting in my morning Qigong and connecting with nature. All is well.